Hey guys, today I'm making a magic milk experiment. We need milk, bull, and we need colors, food color we need, and we need soap. Then we need this milk and put on this bowl. Then we need to put the colors. One wrapper. One. And blue. Okay. And yellow. Then we need to put the soap here. Whoa! Look at all the colors. So excited. Yellow. Okay, let me touch. Wow, look at the colors. It's a rainbow. Patterns of rainbows I found. I hope you like my tiny experiment. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.